Hello and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech unboxing video. So today we have the status between Pro wireless earbuds. Now I received these quite a while back. They were a Indiegogo Kickstarter kind of project. So here we have them. As you can see, the box is pretty plain, not much to see. As we can see at the top there, the SEE times 3 times even. So yeah, let's get into the box. Now these were meant to be all singing, all dancing, matching with the Apple AirPods, as you can see there. So there's a little sleeve and then you've got your main box. Again, no information on it. Bit of a shake. There we go. So status: simple, beautiful audio. There we go. A thank you. That pulls out. Happy. And warranty information. So then we have a little manual, which again all pulls out. Quite nice and clear and concise. So just a quick start guide there with fit wings. Oh, I missed a page at the start here. How to charge, USB-C. So they contain a 10mm dynamic driver and 2 times balanced drivers. Offer market leading battery life, 12 hours and 36 hours in the case. Contain 4 microphones too, so 2 in each earbud. Connect via 5.2 Bluetooth and are backed by Status's Audio's 30-day performance guarantee. So let's get into the box itself. That is really nicely packaged there. So your charging case, which is round and beveled almost on the bottom and flat and squarer on the top. There we go. And there's the blue LED just come up there. So as you can see, these charge by little magnetic portions on the bottom there. Let's just try and focus on that. There we go. So these look like they're going to fit really nicely into the ear, and they're a lot smaller than what I expected actually. If you look at that compared to the rest of the earbud, that is rather small. So let's pop that one into the case there. Let's get this the right way around. There we go. And the other one. There we go. That's pretty cool. Just thought that was a little. Oh yeah, there's a little manual button on the top of the buds there, and as you can see, the 2 microphones maybe. Oh no, microphone at the bottom. And yeah, possibly one of those at the top as well. So let's just get into this last bit of a box. Whoa! So we have lots of different sizes to go on. So you have this silicone wraparound and then the actual bud itself. Looks like a couple of these have fallen off. And they are marked up which side they are and which one's which. So R3, L3, R2, L2. And then, yeah, that's it. Doesn't seem like you get a charging cable. So yeah. So I can't wait to give these a try. Let's just double check the information on the bottom there. So I will give these a go and let you know what I think. So I'm back after just testing out those Between Pro earbuds, and let me tell you, they are fantastic. I'm actually a little bit sad with myself that I didn't open those up and test them a bit earlier, as I would have been using them a lot more during this hot weather. Because between my Samsung Pro Buds and the Sony XM3 overhead headphones, which have just been too hot to wear in the sun, and the Samsung Buds, they are brilliant. They sound fantastic, but I just can't seem to get them to stay in my ears. They're a really weird shape. Samsung have been doing a really weird thing with them the past time. and they changed the shape, and for me personally they just don't fit in very well. But these Between Buds Pro, they're really light, they fit in really nicely. It's just a good shape, and there's lots of adjustment there. One thing I just noticed though is when I was listening to music and I put them back in the case, which is what I tend to do, I don't tend to turn the song off, I just put them in the case and hope that they turn off. But these don't, so you have to actually turn the song off or press on the button on the top, which is a physical button. That's what you use to change the songs, change the volume, in a multiple choose of clicks that was explained in the manual there. And I did notice that you do actually get a USB-C cable just there. It's not a very long one, but you do get one, so that is quite nice. So yeah, that's my quick unboxing and intro to the Between Buds Pro. The sound quality was really good. I mostly listened to pop and R&B, so the highs were really nice, everything was quite nice and crisp. And when there was bass, there was definitely bass. It blocks out a great amount of sound, and obviously, as I just said, they fit really nicely. Only thing is, the case feels much lighter than something like the Buds Pro, which would lead me to suggest the battery inside the case isn't quite as good. And also, obviously, the size difference between these, you would expect it maybe to be just a little bit heavier, maybe a bigger battery in, but maybe that's something they can work on for the next time. Apart from that, I can't fault them so far. They sound fantastic, and I will definitely be using them a lot more. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, please comment down below. I hope you guys have had a great day, and I hope you're all staying safe. I will catch you in the next one.